with another one.
All right, guys, this is J.O.A.T.D back with another video. Here in front of you is a 2019 Hyundai Sonata. This video is to show you how to remove the front headlight. So let's get started. Right now I have the bumper off of this vehicle. I have another video that shows you how to remove the bumper. To remove this light, you have to take the bumper off, or at least pull the bumper loose and get it from in this area right here where the bumper kind of slides up under the light. This part and this is together. So the bumper actually goes in this groove right here. So if you can pull it back enough to get this loose, maybe. Now guys, to remove this headlight, you have 3 screws. You have a 12mm screw here. You have a 10mm screw here. And you also have a 10mm screw down here. And then if you look up underneath, you have this clip right here where the light slides into, and a clip right here. So I would grab, once you pull the screws out, I would grab it from the bottom and pull it loose. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is remove the 12mm bolt or screw. And as you can see, it's a 12mm. The next screw is going to be a 10mm here, right on top of the light. The next screw is going to be here. It's also a 10mm. All right, so up here in the back, behind the light here, you have this hose that has this clip on it. All right, this hose goes to here. If you can see back here, that hole right there, this hole right here, that's what that clip was in. Okay, so from behind this hole right here, from behind here, you can either snatch this out and zip tie it, or you can take a pry tool and kind of push in. Basically what you're doing is you're pushing in this side and pull it out a little bit, and then push in this side and then pull the whole thing out. That's how I got it out. Okay, now like I said, up under here, you want to make sure you pull the light loose from these areas. So basically I'm going to grab it and pull. See it? Just like that. You saw that? And that pulled the whole light out. See, and then this whole light just comes out. Now, the next thing you need to do is inside here, you have the light harness, the harness for the light bulb. See if I can get it down in here. Right here, you got to pull that loose, and all you do is squeeze on top of it. You just squeeze down and then pull it out, and it'll come loose. So I'm just gonna stick my hand down here. I'm gonna squeeze it just like that. See right here? This is where you squeeze down at, right here. So you're gonna squeeze it down and then pull loose, okay? And now this light should be free. Just like that. So we got the whole light loose. And just to show under the bottom here, this area right here and this area right here, these are the 2 points of contact for the bottom down here. They slide in this area right here. They slide right here and right here. They lock in like that. All right, so to put the light back in, what you're gonna do, just line the light up just like this. and then just push it in. You're gonna hear it kind of snap in. See right there? So that light's in right now. The next thing you're gonna do is connect the light harness back down here at the bottom down there. Just make sure you don't push the light out and drop it. Just like that, you're gonna hear that click noise. And then this hose right here, it snaps in right here in this hole. Just like that. Okay. And then you're gonna put the 12 millimeter, the 10, and the other 10 back in. All right, so we're gonna put this 12 back in first. I would hand start it a little first, then run it down. Then after that, we're gonna put the 10 millimeter in. And the last 10 millimeter here. Now, as you can see, it's kind of offset. So what I'm gonna do is loosen the one so that I can line the light up. Now you can see that that hole is lined up now. And then up here. And that right there, guys, is how you remove a headlight from a 2019 Hyundai Sonata. It wasn't that hard. This is J.O.A.T.D, and I'm out.